This is obviously what's called a level. A lot of them nowadays are just made out of aluminum and they're hollow here in the middle and that sort of thing. I'm an old-timer favorite of the old wooden brass-bound level. The idea is that these are very sensitive instruments in here. If these fall, which they do all the time, you stand them in a corner somewhere or hang them on a nail and they end up getting beat and whatever, this wood acts as a cushion and these things will last many, many times as long as the aluminum ones. And this brass binding on the edges, so you have a nice hard square edge to not only mark but measure up to and all that sort of thing. So these are the two bubbles that show you, and you can see this is not going to be level right now or plumb or anything because the edge of the bubble is actually past the mark. What you're looking for is whichever bubble you choose to use, and I'd have to show you how to do that on the site somewhere, the edge of the bubble is supposed to be directly with each of these two black lines. So it should look something like this. Now it looks like it's a little off here because the picture's taken on an angle. I was trying to hold it and hold the camera all at the same time, but you can see the edge of the bubble is even with the line here. This edge of the bubble is even with that line there, and so that would be plumb or level depending on which way you're holding the level. Again, this would be in the other bubble. These two would be acceptable within the lines. Obviously that one's not. So the difference between plumb and level is a horizontal measurement. So if you're holding your level horizontally like that, you're checking to see if something is level. If you're holding your level vertically, you're checking to see if it's plumb. So you don't really level a wall unless somebody is putting one on the top of a wall. If you're holding it that vertically along the side of a wall somewhere, you're plumbing the wall to see if it's straight vertically.